Okay, so December MuscleNation unboxing. So this is my delivery of bits and pieces that I have got for this month. So these are the regular items that I use every month, and some new bits and pieces that I haven't tried. So the new one which I haven't tried, which will be a full video review coming, Casein Custard Strawberry Cheesecake. So again, this is a casein protein product that I would use normally pre-bed because it's slow digesting. You could also use it in the morning as well. So what's really good about the casein custard in terms of having a high amount of glutamine, and also the protein content is very high and the carbohydrates is very low. So per serving, as an example, there's only 5 grams of carbs and 26 grams of protein. So if you're looking to try and stay lean and build muscle, that's ideal. And if anyone who knows me knows I love cheesecake. And if you know how much I love cheesecake, comment below what my favourite cheesecake is and where it is. I had it recently on my birthday. Second up is Whey Isolate. So this is a real must to me. I absolutely love whey protein. The fact that I eat 6 times a day, so therefore eating 6 meat meals a day is not exactly ideal. Like, I could do it easily, but it gets a bit repetitive, and sometimes you don't really just want, you feel a bit bloated eating other foods. So it's not nice to have something a bit sweeter tasting. Coconut caramel tropical flavouring is a different concept in terms of a lot of MuscleNation flavours are very out there and completely unique. So this is definitely one I would recommend giving a try. My favourite flavour from MuscleNation 2 would be chocolate honeycomb, chocolate hazelnuts. Try those 2 as well, and also check out coconut caramel. Next up, which I'm going to be breaking into this bad boy for leg day later. So this is the Modulation Legacy. So this is the stronger pre-workout. I would use 2 scoops of this. I'm using 2 scoops today because it's leg day. So you've got 300 milligrams of caffeine in this, 6 grams of citrulline malate. This really good formula. Tastes absolutely phenomenal. Sour gummy bear flavour. This is the best one. Other flavour I like is blue raspberry, but sour gummy is one for me to taste like a sweet treat. Next up, creatine, the most scientifically researched product that actually works. So in terms of creatine usage, how much to use, I would recommend that you, for 99% of people, use 5 grams of creatine to work out. So like within a drink when you're training or pre-workouts. If you're a slightly larger individual, then go up to 10, even up to 20 grams, depending on your body weight. So for me, for example, I'll use between 10 to 20 grams of creatine per workout to optimise my training, to build more muscle and stay leaner. So it's creatine. That's the end of the supplements. Jazzy other bits. Got a MuscleNation camo bum bag, pretty legit. And this is something that this is very sad. It's something I requested. I was very excited for. It's some new socks, because you can't see it from camera. But they're very soft, and I've got a sock fetish of having nice soft socks. So my other favourite socks are Jordan socks. Anyone who watches a lot of my Instagram will see I always wear Jordan socks when I'm training, and I've got some Jazzy MuscleNation ones. So if you guys want to get stocked up, supplements, socks, I obviously do clothing as well, then use my code Charlie to get 10% off your order. Link is below in the summary. Any questions on any of the products, anything in the range, let me know, drop me a comment, and I'll help you the best I can.